So get this, JP Morgan, yes, that big bank down in the city where I used to work, has just come out and said that Bitcoin has replaced real estate as its preferred asset class. Just think about that. A cryptocurrency that their CEO has been talking trash about for the past 4 or 5 years is now replacing real estate as their preferred asset class, as in one they expect for continued growth going forward. This is big news in the crypto markets because it looks like the financial institutions, all of the banks around the world, are finally looking at this for what it is. And that is a great long-term investment. It's something that's just as good as these buildings all around me. And if you've been in this space for a little while like we have, you know that this really is an asset. And even though it's a digital asset, it's just as important as some of these physical assets out there. And it's nice to see one of the biggest players in the business paying homage to that. And we think going forward that this is going to be incredible space for investing in these crypto assets, in these DeFi protocols, in the metaverse, and in all things blockchain, because it's the future. And again, just because you can't touch it doesn't mean it doesn't have value. And that's this big revolution. I've had so many conversations on London Real with guests that talk about this. Dan Tapiero of Tenti Holdings said, Brian, he said, cryptocurrency is like the invention of the steam engine. It was a piece of technology to change the whole world forever. And if you look at it that way, you start to see how it is its own asset class. And so that's why when markets are kind of up and down and we might be going into this bear market, it's to look at these things because they have real value. It's not just something on a whim. It's not just some company that might go up and then disappear. It's something that really has a peer-to-peer exchange value like Bitcoin, and a lot of these other cryptocurrencies do as well. And it's why we're believing in this and we're building in this and we're talking about this. And it's what I teach as well inside our Crypto and DeFi Academy. And now is the time to build. I've been talking to some of the biggest players in the business, and they said, look, Brian, the next 12 to 18 months is a building phase. It's what we went through back in 2018, and that created all of this value. 10 years from now, there's no question that the crypto asset class is going to rival that of real estate or of the equity markets. So the point is, are you want to be prepared? Do you want to be prepared for that? I was in the dot-com bubble back in 99 and 2000. And again, when that happened, you thought tech was never going to come back. Right after that is when the Googles of the world were built. And that is the way to look about crypto now. So again, invest in this, invest in yourself, learn these protocols. It's what we do inside my academy. If you want to join me for a 4-week blockchain boot camp, there's a link below, or londonreal.tv/DeFi, that's DEFI. We go through all the wallets, all the basics. We talk about stable coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, the blue chips. We talk about all the different financial theory, metaverse, NFTs, and more. So click the link below. I'll see you in there. We're starting our next course in a few days. And again, this is the time to build. This is the time to have perspective. This is the time to invest in something that's going to be bigger than the internet. Leave me your comments below. Tell me what you think about this bear market. Are you investing for the future, or are you running for the hills? Let me know.